Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful travel trailer comes equipped with outside storage including a full pass-through compartment, LED exterior lighting, outside kitchen refrigerator, sink, and stovetop, flip-down travel rack, single slide, roof ladder, outside speakers, triple step entry, stabilizer jacks, automatic levelers, outside shower, linen cabinet, bedside power outlets, double door refrigerator, battery disconnect, vanity with sink, walk-around queen bed, dual bedroom nightstands, freestanding table with chairs, pleated shades, entry grab handle, cable TV hookup, decorative kitchen backsplash, overhead shelf and bedroom, wardrobe and cabinet, trifold sofa sleeper, interior speakers, over-the-range microwave, pot and pan drawer. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with the boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.